back to my channel. Valentine's Day is coming up, but what also is coming up is Super Bowl Sunday. That's right, the big game's happening the day before Valentine's Day. So if you're looking for something to bring over to a Super Bowl party and have something ready for Valentine's Day, don't worry, I got you covered. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create these delicious homemade brownies. I'm also going to show you at the end of the video a fun decorating idea to make your brownies extra festive for the game and extra sweet for your Valentine. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. So let's get ready for this festive weekend, put on our chef's coats, and let's get baking. To make these homemade brownies, you'll need 1 1/4 cups of cake flour, a half a teaspoon of salt, 3/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 6 ounces of unsweetened chocolate, 1 1/2 sticks of unsalted butter, 2 1/4 cups of sugar, 4 eggs, and 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. To get started, preheat the oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. In a separate bowl, sift the flour, salt, and baking powder. Then set it aside. Chop up your chocolate and melt that in the butter over a double boiler. Once everything is melted, remove it from the stove. Next, whisk in your sugar until combined. Add in your eggs one at a time. Then add your vanilla extract. Finally, add in your dry ingredients and mix with a rubber spatula. Pour the batter into a 13-inch by 9-inch greased pan. And bake for about 30 minutes. To tell if your brownies are ready, insert a toothpick into the brownies. If it comes out clear, your brownies are done. Remove them from the oven and let them cool completely. Finally, cut them into 2-inch squares and enjoy. To make your brownies festive for the big game and Valentine's Day, you can make a fun sprinkle mix of your very own. Drizzle on some chocolate to the corner of the brownie. I dyed my chocolate to match the color of the Rams, Bengals, and Valentine's Day. And add your mix on top. And now you're ready to kick off the big game and Valentine's Day with your festive brownies. that is it. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and hit that notification button so you know when the next video is. Also, share this video with your friends and family and tell them to subscribe as well. It's totally free to do so, and we have a lot of fun on this channel. These brownies are so chocolatey and delicious. They're going to be the sugary highlight of your Super Bowl party. By the way, who do you think is going to win the Super Bowl this year? The Bengals or the Rams? Comment down below. And if you're regular for Valentine's Day, you cannot go wrong with a fun chocolate dessert like brownies. If you recreate the brownies or anything else I've made on this channel, please DM me at this Instagram account to get an awesome shout out. Hope everybody's staying safe and well. Enjoy your brownies and have a fun Super Bowl weekend / Valentine's Day. Bye!